In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto-renewal for MyFitnessPal subscriptions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and a few important tips so you don't get charged again by mistake. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're using the account tied to your subscription. On the welcome screen, tap Login. When prompted, enter your email and password carefully. Keep your credentials private and avoid typing them where others can see. Then tap Login again to access your account. Once you land on your dashboard, look for the More option, usually found in the bottom menu. Tap More to open the app's additional options. From there, choose Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences and access billing information related to your premium plan. Inside Settings, tap Premium Subscription. This section shows your current plan and renewal details. Next, tap the Premium Annual Plan or whichever plan is currently active on your account. Opening the active plan ensures you see the correct billing status and available actions. Now, tap Cancel Subscription. The app will guide you through a short flow to confirm your choice. You'll be asked to select a reason for canceling. Pick the option that best fits your situation. This feedback helps improve the service, but won't affect your ability to cancel. After selecting a reason, tap Cancel Subscription again to finalize. You should see confirmation that auto-renewal is turned off. If you do, consider taking a quick screenshot for your records. You'll retain premium features until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again after that. It's a good idea to check the listed renewal date so you know exactly when your premium access will end. If you don't see a cancel option here, it may mean your subscription was started through your device's app store. In that case, cancellation is managed by your app store's subscription settings, not inside MyFitnessPal. Still, follow what you see on screen and look for guidance in the premium subscription page if needed. Finally, give the app a moment to refresh and revisit the premium subscription page to verify that auto-renewal shows as canceled. That's it. Your subscription will not renew, and you can continue using MyFitnessPal with your current access until the period ends. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you avoid any unwanted charges.